Antimatter. Many of us know about this material as the most expensive, a thing that many science fiction movies depicted as the substance of destruction. But is it the same in real life, or is it just an idea? What exactly antimatter is and how it really works. Hey there, this is Shan and I'm going to tell you what is antimatter and how it works in just 2 minutes. There was a philosophy before we can jump into the topic, the philosophy of exact opposite person of ourselves. It states that somewhere in this universe we have the exact opposite person of us, whether we talk about nature, ideals or morals. This philosophy leads to a better discoveries later on. The major one is in particle science. We call it antimatter. Like its name suggests, it is the opposite of matter. Which I mean with opposite of matter is it will contain exact opposite charge than a normal atom. If an atom contains one negative charge electron and one positive charge proton, the antimatter of its will contain one positive charge electron and one negative charge proton. Simple, right? What is not simple here is whether this particle really existed. It took scientists really a long time before getting the evidence of existence. So how and where this antimatter is coming from, and is it really dangerous enough? Well, it is believed that matter and antimatter were created equally during Big Bang, but after some consequences, the amount of matter exceeds the amount of antimatter. This is the reason why we can mainly see the world of matter, not antimatter. But it doesn't mean antimatter is long gone. We can see chunk of antimatter during space flights or even in banana. They create very few antimatter particles that when it reacts with matter, it explodes or annihilate. Meaning the moment antimatter and matter joins together due to opposite charge, they explodes and create energy. It is said to be if 1 gram of antimatter is reacted with matter, it will create energy equal to a nuclear bomb. Many scientists try to capitalize this to use it as a fuel, but the biggest obstacle between this newly fuel and capitalizing it is the storage of antimatter. We can't store any antimatter in a normal vessel as it will react. Besides, the antimatter we witness is minuscule, making it very difficult for us for now to make any antimatter spacecraft. But maybe years later we will be going on a space trip on antimatter fueled spacecraft. So until the next amazing video, keep hitting your blind spot.